Hello friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a very trending and effective drink that lowers high blood pressure. Very easy to make with a very few ingredients. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. You just need two main ingredients to make this healthy drink. The first one is hibiscus flowers. You will need 2 flowers for a drink. Separate the petals. Hibiscus is packed with antioxidants, lowers blood pressure, lowers blood fat levels, boosts liver health, promotes weight loss, contains compounds that helps to prevent cancer, helps to fight bacteria and very helpful for hair and skin maintenance. Clean wash it and add it to a mug. Then add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Garlic is a very healthy ingredient. It has a lot of medicinal properties. It is highly nutritious and has very few calories. The active compounds in garlic can reduce blood pressure. Garlic improves cholesterol levels, which may lower the risk of heart disease, contains antioxidants, detoxifies heavy metals in the body, improves bone health. Then add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Lemon boosts metabolism and thus helps in weight loss. Lemon also helps in reducing the calorie intake. Then add a cup of hot water. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted to the water. Close it with the lid and let this rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open and check the ingredients are well soaked. Give it a good mix. Now a healthy drink to lower pressure is ready. Drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. If you suffer acidity, then you can eat a date 10 minutes prior to having this drink. Also make sure to have your breakfast after an hour to drinking this fat-cutter drink. You can avoid this drink if you are pregnant or breastfeeding. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this healthy drink that lowers blood pressure at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. To this, add 1 strand of lemongrass. Lemongrass prevents the growth of bacteria and yeast. It relieves pain and swelling, reduces fever, improves sugar levels and cholesterol in the blood. Cumin seeds has anti-cancer properties, helps treat diarrhea, controls blood sugar levels, fights bacteria and parasites, has anti-inflammatory effects, lowers cholesterol levels and aids in weight loss. Then add half teaspoon of ginger powder. Ginger is a very healthy ingredient. It is loaded with antioxidants, fights against chronic diseases, reduces high blood pressure and good for your heart. This ginger contains gingerol, which has powerful medicinal properties, can treat nausea and morning sickness, helps in weight loss and lowers your blood sugar levels. Then add 1 cup of lukewarm water. Close it with the lid and let this rest for 5 minutes. The essence of the ingredients are getting extracted to the water. It's been 5 minutes, so let's open and check. The ingredients are well soaked. Strain and add it to a mug. Now a healthy fat melted drink is ready to consume. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink a day boosts your immunity. So do try this weight loss drink recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Heat a saucepan and to this add 2 cups of water. Keep the flame in medium throughout the process. Today I have taken an hibiscus flower. Remove the pistil and the stem. You can discard them. Separate the petals and clean wash them. When the water comes to a boil, add the petals. Then add 1 strand of lemongrass. Let this boil for 2 minutes in medium flame. Hibiscus is rich in antioxidants, fights inflammation, lowers blood pressure, lowers cholesterol, promotes weight loss and fights bacteria. Lemongrass prevents the growth of bacteria and yeast infection. It relieves pain and swelling, reduces fever, improves sugar level and cholesterol in the blood. After 2 minutes, the water is nicely boiling. To this, add 1 piece of ginger. Let this again boil for 2 minutes. The essence of the ingredients are nicely getting extracted to the water. We're not going to add any sweetening ingredients in this tea today. If you want, you can add half a teaspoon of palm sugar candy, but this hibiscus lemongrass ginger tea is going to taste good even without any sweetening ingredient. It's been 2 minutes now and the flavors of the ginger, lemongrass and hibiscus has come together very well. Now off the flame and finally add a teaspoon of lemon juice. Let this rest for 10 seconds. Then strain the hibiscus lemongrass ginger tea and serve it nice and hot. You can drink this in empty stomach in the morning for best results. Very easy to make and a very healthy drink. This drink today boosts your immunity. So do try this hibiscus lemongrass ginger tea recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. Hope you liked this video, so please do like, share, comment and subscribe to Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, you can visit Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. I'll be giving the channel link in the description box. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends.